Need to fix Roblox error code 280? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. Start by heading over to the App Store on a device. Search for the application Roblox. And then head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In that case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, then what else you can do is try restarting your device for once. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. If not, uninstall the application, tap on remove app and then click on delete app. Once the application has been deleted, you should try reinstalling the application, and after that you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.